How to set up MetaPay on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the See More in Account Center option you see there and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Meta Verified. Tap on the Meta Verified option you see there and now you will be shown with all the subscription that Meta Verified offers, such as Standard, Plus, Premium, and Max. So, according to your preference and according to your requirement, go through the subscription plans that Facebook Meta has to offer and then tap on the plan that suits your preference the most. Further, tap on the Unlock Benefits option you see there, and you will then be required to complete the payment process. So, go ahead and complete the payment process, and once you have completed the payment process and followed the on-screen instructions, all your subscription will be all set. So this was about how you can set up MetaPay on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.